Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup because I figured since last time was a little crazy, might as well try something a little more normal, I'd say. So without hesitation, even though there was hesitation, let's get on to my everyday makeup look. So I'm going to start off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I'm going to take off my glasses and just apply it all around the face. I have the mini because I got with a set I wanted to use up. Okay. And I did cleanse and moisturize before this. So then we're going to start going in with my MAC Mineralize Moisture SPF 15 foundation in shade NW20. Now, I believe that this, as far as I'm aware, it's been discontinued, unfortunately, which is kind of sad because it's one of my favorite foundations. Now, this is more of a summer. This is one of my favorite foundations. One of the ones that fit me the best, I'd say. Got my hair. And this is my damp Real Techniques blending sponge. And I'm using the flat end. And down to the neck. Forehead. And such. I'm going to be trying to find another foundation that matches me. No, it's not too hard to find one that matches me. It's hard for me to find ones that I like. Yep, there we go. I'll blend it out. And I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in 22N. Now this is my mini one because I actually wanted to buy the mini before buying the full size, which since buying this I have gotten the full size, but I prefer to use the mini first. I'm going to continue, just blend that in. Blend that in. That in. Apologies if you hear my family. Just blend in the concealer. And I'll be right back because my camera is about to die. So as soon as that's charged up, I'll meet you back here. Okay guys, I am back, camera's charged, and we're ready to roll. So next I will go in with eyeshadows for the next part. So I'm going to apply my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish eyeshadow primer. Just a little bit. You check, now this is very creamy. It's a silicone one, I'd say. But I prefer the smooth silicone feel of a lot of them. So that's good. Feels nice. And then I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite shadows of all time, which is Ulta's Suede from Ulta Beauty. Got this mini palette bit back. Just gonna gently apply it to the lid. I'm gonna use my mirror and my Huda Beauty palette. To gently apply it. I'm gonna go in with the what shade was I gonna go in with again? With a slightly redder brown from this palette. Come on. Lid, and go more towards the lid. Looking pretty good so far. Gonna go in with this dark brown. Get off just outer corner. Towards the center. And I'm gonna pick up my what's this brand again? I'm gonna pick up this brush from, I believe it's Complex. I have another one of their brushes right here. Yes, it's my Complex Culture Precise Eyelid Brush, and I'm gonna take the coppery gold shade in the middle, and just pat it on the center. Pat it on the center. gently grab a fluffy brush and fall away with the fallout. Away with it. And I'm gonna grab my Moda Pro smudger brush and just use this light brown shade at the bottom to carefully just bring some to the lower eyelid. Bring some to the eyelid. And last but not least, I'm taking my Moda Pro detail brush and my Space Case Cosmetics. My Space Case Cosmetics Seen from Space 1E highlighter. Finger blending. And then I put that in my inner corner. Carefully. And that finishes the shadow portion of my look. And now I'm going to go in with my $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Just carefully carefully fill in just a little bit. Fill in where it's a little lighter. Sorry, that was my uncle. And I just apply some of my $1 Billion Brows eyebrow gel. Right here, which is right here. And then I will be right back because I have to, because now I'm low on memory. Yay. I'm back once again. And then we did my eyebrows. Lovely. So now that we have the eyes done and don't worry about falling anymore, we're gonna move on to face products. So gently apply my Hoola bronzer. I couldn't find it for this video. So that's why I ended up using a shade that was a little too dark for me last video, is because I couldn't find my Hoola. Which is for me the perfect shade. Well, not quite perfect, but it works fairly well. I might end up trying the Hoola Light when I can get it. Under the lips. And we're good. Move on to my Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. I'm using my brightening brush. top of the cheekbones, down the nose, lips, and then I'm going to use a little bit of my Ciate London Melted Light in Halo. Just for a little bit of a flush. Move on to my lips, which I've applied a balm earlier. So we're going to use the Sofia Nygaard and ColourPop lipstick in Bury Me Lipsticks. So, just one of my favorites. Simple, done. I'm going to apply a little bit of my Glam Glow Pout Mud in the middle, just for a little bit more of a ruddy tone. This is in Scarlet. Just to bring out the middle. And I'm going to go in with my Galactic Precise Eyeliner. To create a small wing. And I'll also go in with my obviously going with my Hank and Henry mascara dough. There we go. And I'm going to quickly do eyeliner and mascara on my other eye, and I'll be right back. Both eyes are done, and all I have to do is use my In Beauty Project Power Ups Dual Phase Setting Mist. And I am good to go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my simple everyday makeup routine, and have a amazing day. And I hope that you guys are all doing well during this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.